This video didn't show up by accident. If you stumbled upon this video, your soul is done playing small. Something in you is waking up, and this video is simply the confirmation that your higher self has been asking for. Before filming this video, I asked God to only show this video to the people who needs to hear it, and you're one of them. And what has happened if you stumbled upon this video is that you are shedding your old self. What is no longer in alignment with your soul? And here are 3 things that God wants to tell you. Before I get into the 3 things, I want to share with you a metaphor that will help you see what is going on in your life currently. So when I was a digital nomad, I was, traveling around the world, and I couldn't travel heavy. In the beginning, and I did. So I started removing the clothes, the items that no longer served me, that I was no longer using. And now I felt so much lighter and I could travel so much happily and more peacefully. And most of us do this with our lives. We wonder why life feels slow, blocked, confusing. It's because we're trying to walk into a new destiny while dragging the past behind us. So if you want to enter this next chapter of your life, this dream life chapter, then you need to hear these 3 things. The first thing is that you gotta declutter your life. Like I've said in other videos, everything you own owns you. Every item in your home attaches a tiny invisible thread to your energy, and that's why decluttering isn't just tidying, it's soul work. Why do you think monks have such little possessions, and why they keep their temples squeaky cleaning every single day? Is because they know that their mind and their stuff is connected. So if they have a cluttered life, cluttered home, that's going to affect their mind. So think about, what do you no longer need? What is part of your old identity? What doesn't serve you, that timeline of you living in your dream reality? So think about your physical clutter, but also emotional, like beliefs that doesn't serve you. Is there relationships perhaps that doesn't serve you, friendships? That's step 1. And step 2, still your mind. And the reason why stilling your mind is so important in this chapter of your life is, if you imagine a snow globe, when you shake it and you see the snow here, you can't really see clearly. But when you put the snow globe down and the snow falls down, you can see the house or whatever is in the snow globe. So when your mind settles, your soul guidance can come in. In this world of constant scrolling, constant stimulation, no wonder our mind is so hyperactive. And I think there's actually a dark agenda on this planet to keep us constantly overstimulated, addicted, so that we won't tap into our soul and what our soul wants to experience this lifetime. And my favorite way to still my mind is through daily meditation. And it's something that I've been struggling with a lot this year, something that has helped me, and I've been meditating now every single day for the last month. And that is this website. This is not sponsored, by the way. It's called Bee Minder. Bee like the insect. And it's a free website. And when you don't fulfill your goal, it will take money, whatever money you set up, for perhaps $5 if you don't meditate that day. So sometimes you need that little extra push, that stick, rather than the carrot, to actually get things done, important things like meditation. Step 3 is to create a dream board or a vision board, or if you already have one, to update it and really think about, how do I want the next chapter, my dream life, to look like? We all have dreams, but I find it's very few people who actually take the time to write them down, or even better, to visualize them. I find this is such a good exercise to do now when we're starting a new year. So for example, what I'm manifesting is more spiritual friends. So I have this like little photo of some friends hanging out, and then to heal my bloating, so I have another little photo of the flat stomach. So have fun with it. I create mine for free in canva.com. Just search for dream board and then just upload some pictures, put in there, and write whatever your little goals are. Every time you look at this board, then you send a signal to the universe that this is where I'm going. You can even have it as your desktop wallpaper, so you see it every time you open your laptop. And by the way, if one of those dreams is to become a content creator, so you no longer have to work a job ever again, then watch my free masterclass on how I escaped my 9-to-5, and you can too. Link in the description. You are not behind, you're being prepared. And this video showed up because something in you is ready now. Let me know what you are letting go of. And next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, if you want to become a content creator and make your passion your income. Love you, and see you in the next one.